Oh no! You guys seen this? Wildfire! Oh wait, never mind. What the fuck? False alarm. That was just a man burning some leaves, creating a shitload of freaking smoke. That was pretty funny. Well, I mean, I'm glad it's not. That's good. Yeah. Check it out. Beautiful.
Out of the darkness, a sign. It all seems so harmless. A silver light. Don't you wait until the morning light. The morning light. Far away until you're out of sight. You're out of sight. Cause you gotta let know while you can. Don't look back, don't forget. You gotta let know while you can. Don't look back, don't forget. You gotta let know while you can. Don't you wait until the morning light. The morning light. Far away until you're out of sight. You're out of sight.
My luck is just shit, or I'm just being stupid at this point, because we got another one, folks. Another injury. Yeah. I mean, my fault, but in the same time, the drone fault. Yeah, this is inflicted by the drone propeller blade. I was, as usual, I have the Spark, so you can catch it. It can just, you can just catch it and then, flip it over, and then that's how you would, land it pretty much in midair without having to actually land on the ground. But, it was a little windy here, and the wind, when I was about to go grab it, the wind kind of blew it, and, the propeller, moved, and yeah, it got the tip of my finger, like right at the tip. Damn, man, it got me good, but, what you gotta do? I'm bleeding all over the damn place. This is crazy, man, like, it's stupid. I can't have any more injuries to my hand, like, this one just got decent, starting to scab up real good. Now this, come on, man! Hopefully I didn't bleed in the car. Mom's gonna be so damn mad, but it's alright, Put some dirt on it, make it feel better. Alright. Continuing the trip. awesome right now. I am trying to find a place to park so I can walk a little bit on the trail. Not all the way, of course, I don't have time for that, but just maybe a bit, get more footage and camera work and stuff like that. But it's very busy here, even though it's off season. It's cold, but people are still here, and they are maybe we can park here, maybe. Yeah, there's a lot of people here right now. The camper area, I'm not sure if I can go park there as a regular car. I'm sure that's frowned upon. So I'm not gonna do that. It's 1:22 p.m. at the moment. Look at that view. Jesus Christ. Heaven on earth. Beautiful. Yes, 1:22 p.m. Honestly, I should be heading out by now because I have to go to the next location, which is General Sherman, the biggest tree in the world. I want to go see the general. And that, I think, is about 1 or 2 hours away, something like that. I don't know. I'm pushing it. The schedule is getting pushed back more and more because I want to stay at places and enjoy the nature. I wish I had more time to do this, but my days are limited. Days are limited indeed. So apparently you can walk right up under the fall. So I'm gonna do that, of course. And then I think that's it for me because I gotta head out. There it is, folks. It's beautiful. Right next. It's crazy. You can get even closer. I'm about to. Yes. Oh man, I am extremely tempted to hop in real quick right now. The water's right here. And the car is right there, right up there. And I have towels. Let me feel how the water feels. Oh my God, it is freezing. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Oh my God, it's cold. Holy moly, that is cold water. This water tastes better than my freaking water bottle. Okay, I decided to stop at Starbucks, right? Got myself some food and a free sample of a little cappuccino. I've decided to back up my footage so that if, let's say, I lose my drone again, I won't lose all my footage that was on the drone, like the last one. Yeah, that's still very sad. It's about 5:30 right now, and what's it called? General Sherman is about 3 hours away. Obviously, I'm not gonna go tonight because, well, you know what? Maybe I go tonight, depending on. I think it's a little bit of a hike to get in there, so I don't think I'm gonna go tonight. But I'll be in the facility so that tomorrow, super early morning, as soon as the sun comes out, I can head in, look at it real quick, and then head through Death Valley into Nevada as well. I should be complete with all of that by like lunch, 12 o'clock. I don't know. I'm talking out of my ass because it's a long trip, but I'm trying to make up for it, and I'm running a little late. Obviously, today I was supposed to be through the desert into Nevada already. So, but I'm not. So I'm trying to make up for it, I guess. But whatever, just take it day by day. Let's go. Look at this road right now. You guys, can you see this? Oh, did it go? No, never mind. No, maybe it did. It's clearing up a bit now, but a second ago, it was crazy foggy. Like, oh, it's still a little foggy. Spoke too soon. Yeah, it was so foggy. You literally cannot see in front of you. You had to drive so slow. Oh, there you go. Here we go again. Oh, here we go again. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, here we go again. But yeah, we have to go really slow. So I just helped out a French man. I could tell by his accent. He's super French. But apparently his car got stuck up here. He was in this fog driving around just like I am now, and he couldn't see a turn coming up, and he ran into a ditch. I'm just glad he didn't go flying off the damn mountain. At least he hit a, land instead of nothing and go, rolling off into the side of the mountain, because that would be very bad. But I'm glad he at least hit land. He was stuck, and he was waving people down with his phone flashlight. So when I was driving towards him, all I saw was the phone flashlight going left, right. I was like, what the hell is going on? Some kind of ghost or some shit? It's sketchy, but I rolled my window down just a little bit in case somebody attacked me or something. But then I saw a French man with a man bun, and I was like, oh, okay, I'm safe. and I was like, cool. And then I asked him what he needed, and he said his car was stuck in a mud or some bushes or something, and he was wondering if I could tow him out. And I was like, well, I'm in a Toyota Camry, my man. It's not really that type of car, and also I don't have cables or chain or anything to pull him out with, to tow him out with. So I was like, well, dude, I can't do, I can't pull you out, but I have water, I have food. Do you need anything? And he was just like, no, I'm okay. And I asked him how long he'd been, stuck, and he was like, about 45 minutes. I was like, holy shit, 45 minutes? You've been up here 45 minutes? It's fucking freezing outside. You better die, bro. You sure you don't want water and blankets and fire? I got everything. I got everything in this damn car. And he was telling me, no, he's good. And yeah, I was worried for him, so I stayed with him for a little bit, for like 5 minutes. And hey, guess what? Two jeeps coming both direction, front, like from both way at the exact same time, met right in the middle, which is us. And they were like, what's up? Because he waved one down. Well, he waved both of them down, I guess. And then they saw me with parked and with my blinker light, emergency light, and they were like, "What's up? You guys need help?" And I was like, "Hell, he does. He's stuck here for like a damn hour now. And then, yeah, both Jeep got towed him out. Lucky him. I mean, it was great. It was awesome. But that did suck for poor Frenchman. That sucked that he got stuck. And I'm glad he's all right. You do not want to be stuck up in this damn mound. There's probably mountain lions up here. Like my luck. I already saw one. I'm gonna see another one. So. And it's gonna fucking jump on my ass. I don't need that, and I'm sure a Frenchman don't need that either.